You mentioned about being part of the corporate and the transition into a business. But what was the story behind that? How did you transition into become your own having your own business?
Ano to? Iko-connect ko naman to sa'yo. Kasi ikaw, I'm grateful na part ako talaga nung book. I didn't know na yun yung naging impact sa kanya. And I'm sure, yung taong nag-refer sa akin sa dating, hindi pala dati, unang government employee ko, I'll never forget her. Siya yung former boss ko din. And then, she just told me na nag-start ako, hindi kasi ako businesswoman I don't know anything about business. All I have in mind is, gusto kong gawan ng training, lahat ng mga training na na-attendan ko. Kasi, yung mga dating bosses ko, very generous sila to send me sa iba't ibang training. HR ako, pero ipapadala ako sa IT workshop, sales and marketing.